we are here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the craziest transport nowadays? Okay, so let me tell you. This transport is air transport. So, we are here because we are from aviation industry. I want to tell you about myself. I am Shaja Durgapal and I am the managing director of Air India Airline. So, let's start the presentation with the logo of Air India Airline. As you can see, the first one is the old logo of Air India Airline and the second one is new logo of Air India Airline. The new logo of Air India Airline stands for the Vista. The Vista symbolizes the bold confidence of Air India. Outlook for the future and is inspired by the peak of bold window frame. The logo's other meaning includes limitless possibilities and progressiveness. So let's start with the basic knowledge of Air India Airline. As you all know that Air India Airline is the first airline of India which was started by J.R.D. Tata in 1932. First one is the CEO of Air India Airline. Campbell Wilson is the current CEO of Air India Airline. And the next one is the chairman of Air India Airline. Natarajan Chandrasekharan is the current chairman of Air India Airline. The history of Air India Airline by Ms. Ananta. Thank you.
Okay, so let me tell you about the history of Air India. As our MD told us that J.R.D. Tata was the founder of Air India Airline. He flew his first single-engine aircraft, De Havilland Pushmore, by himself. After World War II, it is nationalized by the Government of India in 1953. In 1962, Air India became world's first airline that have a fleet of all jet engines. In 1971, Air India introduced luxury travels, the Palace in the Sky, with its shadow and branding. In 1993, Air India launched first non-stop flight between New York to Delhi. In 2017, Air India launched their first flight with only all-women crew. So now I would like to call our CSA, Ms. Shreya.
Thank you, Ms. Ananta. I am Shreya Bora and I am the CSA of Air India Airline. I am working here since a very long time and I can proudly say that this is the best airline. Air India offers cargo services to more than 39 international and 38 domestic destinations. And third one is health and medical assistance. Air India offers health and medical assistance for passengers. And in flight services, Air India offers complimentary meals on all flights including special meals and providing in-flight magazine and personal scratches of the entertainment. And refunds, Air India offers refund for ticket purchase on their website. And Premium Economy. Premium Economy offers personal and premium seats and towels for the passengers. And I would like to call Kadir Sarma.
I want to inform you that what are the partnership with other airlines. So, partnership comes in various functions such as code share agreement, interline agreement, and they are agreement between two or more airlines working towards. And so, long-term goal of Air India. Air India has several long-term goals to increase their market share 30% domestically and internationally, and they also plan for make their apps and websites and genetic AI chatbot. I want to call Ms. Himanshi. She is the ex-cabin crew of Air India Airline.
Namaskar. My name is Himanshi Gura and I am the ex-cabin crew of Air India. So as you all know, cabin crew are responsible towards their jobs and if there are any emergency, you accepted cabin crew. And the other responsibilities of cabin crew are to make customer service and passenger comfort or health. And they also ensure you that the emergency equipment are working or not. So I am telling about few reasons for choosing Air India Airline. So Air India Airline is a reputable airline which is known for safety and comfort. And their staff was very friendly. At the end, I want to tell you that go with Air India if you want to make your life memorable. Thank you.
That's all about our presentation. Hope you all like it and hope you all gain some knowledge from our presentation. So I would like to call my team members.